Have you ever felt emptiness after publishing your videos and not getting enough comments under your video? If so, watch this video till the very end, because that is the theory based on our interview, our coaching session that we had with Mary today, by the way. I hope that those two videos will be published together, so you can first watch that very coaching session where Mary had coaching request for me, and I went through her whole situation to solve her coaching request. In this video, I want to briefly share with you what are the main components, how my brain worked during this very session. So if you struggle with emptiness, with the feeling of sadness, with the skipping 24 hours after the publishing of your videos. So you publish your video and for 24 hours you don't know what to do. For 24 hours you constantly checking your phone. You don't interact with your family as usual because you are kind of depressed, you are sad, you feel emptiness and sadness because you overwhelmed with expectations in your head and reality under your video. If that sounds familiar, let's begin. First of all, I invite you to forget about all expectations you had in your head to any person in your life. Not only to subscribers or to your family or to your friends, but to all people in the world. Because we are not born with any instruction for us. We don't have an instruction not to cry. We don't sign any instruction that once we watch this particular video, I need to comment under it. Once we watch a video, and even if we like it, I have to put like on it. We don't have this instruction. So if you don't have this instruction in general in your life, so do not have these instructions people who watch your content. So no one actually should or have to comment under your videos. No one should or have to like them if they like it. YouTube algorithm don't have to work immediately and boost the algorithm of your video. There are no rules, neither for you nor for people who watch your videos. So just let go of all expectations that you have in your head. Expectations like, I put such a big effort to create this very video, and there is nothing going on under it right now. That is expectation as well. That is how you understand that, okay, that doesn't help me anyhow right now. Because there shouldn't be any comments, any likes under a video. There is no such a rule that there should be. Yes, you watch others. You see them having so many comments, so many questions under their videos. But it doesn't mean that it have to be applied to you. They have their own pathway. They had their own journey behind their backs. Comparing yourself with others is absolutely pointless. It leads nowhere. Because it is like the same how tiger will compare itself with lion. They seem to be very similar animals, but actually they're not. They have such a big difference, and lion was created a lion due to several reasons and with the several specific functions in its body, and tiger was created for a different purpose, for different actions, for different life eventually. So once they start creating themselves with each other, it doesn't make sense nor for them nor for other animals that are watching them. Point number 2. Once you publish your video, once you upload some piece of content on your page, and you have a thought in your head, oh, okay, I should create traction under my videos. I should make sure that there are lots of people who comment, who like, who DM me something amazing and beautiful. By this, you are following the pathway of the woman who wants to get a husband. Hope that example will be very clear for you, because that is what we've discussed during our session 2 times. And only from the second time me mentioning this very example, Mary understood what did I mean by that. So imagine, woman wants to have a husband. She wants to get one of the best ones because all of her friends, all of her girlfriends are married. All of them. And she looks at them and thinks, they are so happy. I want to be that happy as well. Despite the fact that not every single time they can be absolutely happy, and not every single day it is a heaven to be together with your husband. But she has this perspective of looking at all of them and thinking, gosh, I want the same. Gosh, why I don't have my husband. Gosh, why I am such a failure. When she thinks like that, she started running after every single man she sees, and guess where it leads to? She ends up getting not the best relationships ever, or not getting them at all. She ends up being so frustrated, so empty, so sad, so depressed, that she doesn't want to do anything in her life from now on. Or we have a different woman. Woman number 2. Make sure that she takes care of herself. She makes sure that she go ahead and does what she loves. She go dancing, camping, hiking, figure skating, anything she loves doing. She go to educational courses because she wants to become wiser. She goes on hiking trips, on retreats, on some amazing trips because she wants to experience great emotions. These are core places where she can find her best friend and eventually husband, because she doesn't run after a person. She thrives to find as much emotions as she can. She thrives to go ahead and make sure that she fulfills her life with that amazing bright energy of happiness, of peace, of joy. I've mentioned it already in my videos before. People gravitate towards your energy. People doesn't gravitate towards your appearance. Well, they gravitate towards your appearance, but they don't stay long term if there is no energy inside of you that they can gravitate towards to. Coming back to our case, you have to focus only on creating content you love, on doing things you cannot stop doing. That's the energy of prosperity, of abundance, of everything is okay with me. I am fulfilled. I am happy. I am not seeking that many comments. I am not seeking that many likes. Because once you start tracing them, you become the woman number 1. You become the woman who wants to get her husband no matter what. Think about it for a moment. Maybe even pause this video to really digest what I've just told you. Next point of this video, how to make sure that you don't feel emptiness when you publish some piece of your content. Please make sure not to have a critique, a person whose opinion you trust more than yours. Why do you think that's important? Why do you think I'm talking about it right now? Or what if I have a husband? I have my main fan who I believe has very important opinion in my life, who has very crucial role in my life. I think I should trust his opinion. I think I should trust him in general. He will definitely support me every single time. There is just one person in the world who can take this role, and that is you. Once you start relying on the opinion of others, you're blocking yourself. You stop believing that your opinion is enough. You stop believing that your opinion is valuable enough, and that is the moment when you betray yourself. You show your mind that my opinion is not that important, and your mind starts to wander around and seek for approval from others. But others sometimes will have opinion, their honest opinion, that they don't like the way you look there. They have very honest, a very straightforward opinion that I don't like it. And if they are really good partners, they will tell you that very honestly and very transparently. But on your side, you may feel rejected. You may feel that that's super painful to you. You may feel that they don't support you enough. But should they? Should they support you? Should they tell you opinion you want to hear, but not opinion they have really in their head. Their opinion doesn't help you in the long run anyhow, because they can change their opinion about path you've chosen, and guess where it will lead you. Just guess. I think you understand that the only path where it will lead you, it's changing your path. I really hope that that's clear for you, that you need to trust your own opinion every single time. Your own understanding, your own metrics, your own values. Because if you don't want to feel sadness, emptiness any longer after you publish your video, after you publish a piece of content, you want to rely not on opinions of others, but focus on your core values. These are main foundations that won't betray you anyhow. You have to understand what your core values are, and you have to state them correctly. But that's the topic of another video. Just remember that they are your best friends on your way towards peace, happiness, and joy. It was the second experiment of me telling you what I think, not having great big script, but just having some bullet points there, by the way, over there, and telling you out loud what I think, what are my thoughts about it. Please let me know in the comments below whether you like this format or not, because I know that there might be some mistakes, there might be some hesitations, maybe some longer parts of this video, but please let me know what do you think. I enjoy recording these videos way more, so I hope that you enjoy watching these videos way more as well. So if you enjoy them, please subscribe to my channel in order to get even more videos from Mindset Coach for content creators. And watch this very video if you doubt about starting a new channel or keeping the old one, or you want to change the main topic of your channel. So watch this very video to understand what you should do in order to make this decision. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and I see you in that next one. Enjoy!